In this video, I'm going to teach you how to update BIOS on your ROG Strix Z790-F motherboard. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a Z790-F gaming Wi-Fi motherboard, you will be able to follow these general instructions to update the BIOS. Keep in mind that these same instructions can also work with any other model from ROG. So to do this, you will need a USB drive where you will load the BIOS files in. This USB drive doesn't need a lot of storage space, however, it is recommended to format it in FAT32. So make sure that you wipe all of the other data and you format the USB drive. Now, to download these BIOS files, go to the official ASUS ROG website and look for the particular model of motherboard that you have. In this video, the ROG Strix Z790-F gaming Wi-Fi. Once you arrive at this page for the motherboard, go over to Support at the top. Then go to Driver and Tools, and finally BIOS and Firmware. Now you will find all of the versions available of this BIOS for this particular model. I recommend just downloading the latest one, but if you want to acquire a specific version, then just scroll down and choose it here. Once you have these BIOS files downloaded, extract them somewhere. Then grab the BIOS file and load it into the USB drive. So make sure that the only thing inside of the USB drive is the BIOS file. Now insert it at the back of your motherboard. You can insert it on any of the available USB ports. There is one function that allows you to update the BIOS without even going into the BIOS interface. To use this function, you have to insert the USB drive on this labeled USB slot here, so you can clearly see that it says BIOS. So insert it into this particular one, and then press this button for about 3 seconds. So hold this button down for about 3 seconds, and it will perform the update without you even having to go into the BIOS interface. For this to work, it needs to be connected to the power supply, so you need to connect the CPU power cable. If you don't want to use this function, however, insert it into any of the other available ports and then go into the BIOS. This can be done by pressing Delete over and over on your keyboard while your computer is rebooting. In here, switch over to the advanced mode. Now go over to Tool at the top and ASUS Easy Flash 3 utility. You will see all of the drives connected to your PC, including the USB drive at the back of the motherboard. Choose it from the list, and as long as you loaded the BIOS file, it will appear over here. So access any folders or the file itself as needed, and once you choose it from the list, the update will begin. Let this process finish uninterrupted and you will have updated the BIOS. I hope I was able to help you on how to update BIOS ROG Strix Z790-F gaming Wi-Fi. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.